Hello there, friends. Today we are in the office building of the Skyway project in Dubai, and I'm talking to one of the top managers of Skyway here, but let him introduce himself. Hello, Mr. Raman.
Yeah, my name is Raman Marvah. I am a Senior Vice President of Skyway Green Tech in Sharjah, and I am holding a position of arranging all the senior management positions for the group of Skyway. And my background is I'm an engineer and an MBA, Master of Business Administration from India. I have a long experience of 3 decades in infrastructure development, and for this I have worked in public sector, means in the government as well as in private sector, in tenure of my 30 years of working in various mega infrastructure projects. And I was representing Government of India on a various you can say bilateral arrangements and bilateral treaties between the countries, and I was the country manager for Ministry of Industry in the earlier part of my career, and that time also I was in Dubai representing Government of India. And after that I have joined the private sector for doing a lot of big project in the infrastructure, which ranges from setting up of say power project to road projects, as well as some kind of innovative project related to automated car parking, which is more of a first time in the world, which we were developing my previous assignment, and many other projects which are of significance in the oil and gas and other sectors. So this is how I have got experience of working in mega projects, and that is on a PPP basis, that is public-private partnership, and which is now the most required mode of private financing to establish mega projects on the ground. So I have got this 3 decades of experience in working in various sectors and with the government as well as private sector. This is as such is my background, and for the time being I have been proud to be a part of Skyway group, and now I have got an opportunities to establish Skyway innovative and futuristic technology demonstration center in Sharjah, which is going to be a sustainable transportation mode of carrying passenger as well as cargo, which is very futuristic, and it is a part of a sustainability effort of all countries, as you can say. And it is going to be a destructive technology which is going to take place in the heart of UAE. UAE being you can say breeding ground of all innovations, and this is appropriate or more relevant and a good place for these kind of innovations. So we are developing this project, and first phase of the project is nearly under completion, and which is related to passenger transportation system. And this is after completion of this, simultaneously we are starting phase 2 of the project, which is for the cargo line, and which we are going to demonstrate the technologies related to cargo transportation. So this is what we have at the moment trying to establish as a demonstration center to see this futuristic innovative technology. And as the time grows and the time moves, and we are going to we have very eager you can say we are in our endeavor to establish further our footprint in UAE. We have been approached by various government and of Emirates And Sharjah government, Fujairah government, as well as Abu Dhabi government is very keen to work with us and to make it on a commercial basis. And on this, we would be very happy to join with the government to work on a PPP basis or any other commercial mode of arrangement where we can provide this opportunity for the people to experience it and to minimize. So this is on the anvil, but our first aim is to set up our demonstration center first. Once it is there, people will have a confidence of having to see or ride on these our transportation solutions. Once it is there, so we will take it to the next stage. So this is what we are working on, and as what we feel, it is going to be a major paradigm shift in a transportation sector, which is going to be changing the whole transportation sector scenario, and maybe a niche space for other than metro and railways, which is more of a, I can say, a traditional one. But Skyway innovation and Skyway solution is going to be some paradigm shift in times to come. This is what I feel so.
Thank you very much. You seem to be understanding the essence of the Skyway technology.
That is my first introduction to Skyway technology was in almost 2.5 years back. In my previous assignment, when I have visited, there is a traffic exhibition. There is a Gulf traffic exhibition where a Skypod has been displayed there. So that was really that time very exciting and very path-breaking kind of a technology. What we have, we have seen that. So that was my first, you can say, experience of having known Skyway. But I never know that I would be part of this journey. And I have joined them almost 9 months now. And so I am part of this journey, and I've like to make it success so that we would be seeing that it would be running on a commercial basis and people will experience it.
Thank you very much. And probably the last question that I have for you today. Is it nothing personal, just business for you, or do you really believe in our goals, in our ideals, in Skyway ideals, I mean?
Yeah, as I've told you, because of my long experience of 30 years, and in that I have taken a lot of challenges. So it is more like a passion for making it a success and becoming a part of a history where the new innovation in a transportation sector is being introduced to the world. I am lucky to be a part of this journey, and we will make it happen on the ground so that our coming generation to see, because as you know, railways has taken 100 years to come to that level of transportation what you see today, and likewise metro also has taken almost 100 years because the tubes were in UK has been made 100 years back. So likewise, this is a ongoing process and it is a journey, and I am happy to be part of it, and we will try our level best to make it happen on the ground.
Thank you very much, Mr. Raman. I wish you success in this journey. I hope it will not be too long.